What changed in my life from becoming diabetic was it was necessary for me to be totally aware and conscious at all times of what my blood sugars were. You have to do 3 or 4 blood tests a day.
I do blood glucose monitoring on a pretty constant basis. I probably test my sugar about 7 times a day.
When I come home from school, I just test it before, in the morning, and at night.
Lifescan is in the business of improving the quality of life for people with diabetes.
It really encourages us to do the very best we can to make this person be able to live with their disease a little bit more positively.
Our product allows them to understand what their blood sugar level is at any time and make appropriate adjustments.
We're essentially developing a laboratory chemical analysis instrument that fits in the palm of your hand, that requires no calibration, and that has an essentially unlimited lifetime, and at a cost that just about anybody can purchase it.
I use the one-touch monitor, the Lifescan.
I'm absolutely dependent on the one-touch glucometer.
Our doctor in New York told us that we should get a one-touch, that was the best machine to use.
I can't imagine life without it, and that's the serious truth of it.
We are the originators of what is called second-generation technology in blood glucose monitoring, and we have a 5-year technology lead over our nearest competitor in that area.
Primarily because of our technology, we do have the most accurate non-wipe technology in blood glucose monitoring.
Basically, the one-touch is very easy to use. You just prick your finger, and in 45 seconds, it tells you a result.
To me, it's a perfect product, because it gives you the number. It doesn't give you a range, it gives you the exact number.
I can step back through the memory and see what my blood sugars were over the past 3, 4, 5, 6 days. And then I know what I need to do to take care of myself.
Well, we've had a pretty spectacular run for the last several years. Our compounded annual growth rate has been in excess of 50%. For the last 3 years, we were over 60% just this last year. We've gone from the 3rd position in market share in the United States to a dominant number 1 position now, and it looks like in the future we'll be continuing to increase our market share.
Our success in the market is largely attributable to the fact that we've been very flexible, very responsive. We can do things better and faster than our competitors.
Our international business is really beginning to take off. We've done extremely well in Canada, where we are also dominating the market. We are the fastest growing business in Europe, and we expect to take the number 1 position within a few years.
We're looking at the latest and greatest ways to manage our business, from our information systems to our operations to the way we manufacture our product. We've incorporated all of the latest technology and techniques.
The introduction of demand flow technology has taken the non-value added time out of the process. Everyone who works on the process is also ensuring the quality of previous operations. And it's allowed us to produce a unit on the order of every 17 seconds.
And what city are you in Georgia?
We really feel that our person who is on the front line on the phone is the one who knows best what that customer needs.
If you need some further assistance, we're open 24 hours.
Lifescan empowers us to do anything that we feel is necessary to make sure that when we hang up, the customer has been helped properly and that they hang up the phone being happy.
Thank you for calling Lifescan Technical Services.
I had lost my test strip, and I called them, and they immediately Federal Express me a new test strip overnight.
They can call this 800 number 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and get online training, and we'll walk them through each procedure that they need to do with this product step by step.
I was amazed at how quickly they responded and how they wanted me to make sure that I was using it correctly.
If you give us a call, we'll be happy to send
I get lots of calls every day where they actually praise the company and they praise the products because they get help right away.
All right. You're welcome.
I'm very happy that there are companies like Lifescan who make my job in taking care of diabetes easier. And make no mistake about it, it's a job to take care of diabetes.
We have been one of the most successful companies in the healthcare business in the United States, and we think that we can leverage that success in other locations.
One of our biggest challenges for future growth is our expansion into worldwide markets.
We're thinking globally when we develop our products now. We're thinking globally when we package them and how we promote them as well.
Once I understood that Lifescan was a J&J company, my confidence level went up.
I feel better dealing with somebody like Johnson & Johnson.
I know J&J is a very good name, and it will be there for me tomorrow.
In every country in the world, there are people with diabetes who can benefit from our products. Lifescan offers an outstanding business opportunity throughout the world.